Most people think turning 50 means slowing down, but the real danger after 50 is not aging itself. It's the silent mistakes people repeat every day without realizing they are destroying their future. And the biggest mistake of all, waiting too long to change. The first mistake people make after 50 is believing it's too late to improve their health. Many people quietly give up. They stop exercising, they stop learning, they stop dreaming. But science shows the human body can still rebuild strength and improve brain health even in the 60s, 70s, and beyond. The truth is shocking. Your future health depends more on your daily habits than your age. The second mistake is ignoring loneliness. After retirement, many people slowly disconnect from the world. Phone calls become rare, friendships disappear, days become quieter. But loneliness is more dangerous than most people realize. Researchers found chronic loneliness can increase the risk of dementia, heart disease, and early death. Humans are not built to live isolated lives. Connection is not a luxury, it's survival. The third mistake is refusing to move the body. After 50, muscle loss happens faster every year, and weak muscles lead to weak balance, painful joints, and dangerous falls. Many people think exercise must be intense, but simple movement can completely change your future. A short daily walk, light stretching, chair exercises. Small actions create powerful results. The fourth mistake is eating for comfort instead of survival. After 50, the body processes sugar and unhealthy foods differently. Fast food, soda, and processed snacks increase inflammation inside the body. And inflammation is connected to heart disease, diabetes, memory problems, and joint pain. Many people slowly poison themselves without noticing it. Food after 50 is no longer just taste. It becomes fuel for your future. The fifth and biggest mistake is ignoring warning signs. Too many people avoid doctor visits because they feel fine. But high blood pressure, heart disease, and some cancers often grow silently for years. The body whispers before it screams. A simple checkup could save your life. A small symptom could be an early warning. Here's the truth nobody likes to hear. After 50, time becomes more valuable than ever. The choices you make now decide the quality of the next 10, 20, or even 30 years of your life. It's not about becoming younger. It's about becoming stronger, wiser, and healthier while you still can. Because one day people will either say they gave up after 50, or that's when they truly started living. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe to Simple Living Hub for more powerful videos about health, aging, and living better after 50. And remember, the future version of you is watching the choices you make today.